Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hnin, and this is my roommate slash best friend, and her name is also
Hnin.
Yeah, Hnin. So double Hnin.
Yes.
So April Fool's Day is close by, and we came up with the idea of why not bring in something funny. Usually I would be giving you guys tutorials, but this week we're gonna bring the guru in.
AKA me.
She's gonna do this on me. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button too, and leave a comment down below afterwards. Let's get into this video. Okay,
Let's do it.
so I already have my foundation on and concealer, since we don't want to take up the entire time doing the full makeup, and she's gonna be doing the rest of my makeup. Let's get started! Do your signature look. Give us a little background information of your makeup history before we start.
Okay, so I am not good at makeup, but I've been playing around and I found out that I look good in red. More red tone, but not orange tone, never. So you gotta play with it, and then you gotta find out what you look good with.
You heard her. Tip number 1, you gotta play with it.
Then see what you look good with and stick to it. Do I have to use primer? No. I don't use primer.
That's your go-to brush.
Oh yes.
You just need one.
Basically. For the eyelid and then for the crease.
Yeah, listen up. You got it? Look at that shit. What palette are you using?
It's Maybelline, the blushed nude. Do I have to show it?
Yeah, there you go. Yes.
It doesn't really match your eye, right? The top color. Okay, you can open your eyes.
Any difference?
No. So I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild. It's rosé in the air.
Oh yeah, rosé.
Rosé in the air. I'm gonna do this orange or this. Your eye is so different than mine. It's like poking your eye. No, that's better. Do it.
This is weird. What kind of technique is this? You do this, she says. Oh my eyes are about to die doing this.
I'm blending. So for the crease, I do it with darker tone than the one on the eyelid. So sometimes I would mix it up. Sometimes I don't have all the colors, so I would mix it up with the dark brown. With the original color and the dark brown. Sometimes you have the darker color.
Why you told me to do this?
Okay, don't laugh. Oh, it's so dark. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Hold on.
Do you need Q-tip? I have Q-tip.
I don't use Q-tip.
Oh. My bad.
So I'm blending the crease because it was so dark. And I would go in L shape to the corner.
L shape?
So I would go up and down and up and down and up and down.
Sound like that.
Trophy marunong ka na. Ganun po eh. Naubo.
Yan, binado lumeka.
Open your eyes. I'm gonna highlight the eyelid more. Ooh, bad idea. So this is from Forever 21. I think I'm gonna use this color. Okay, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Nude Awakening. This would be the
Color?
The color, it's more pinkish. Did I poke you?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, my brush is big.
I'm gonna have eye insurance. This makeup artist is like stabbing my eyes.
Open your eyes. Do you have more brushes that I can use?
Try using this one, the smaller, or this.
Okay. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air again. And I'm doing the L again.
While stabbing my eyes. You
I
got
am
this.
so bad at this.
You got this.
You look like raccoon. Like pretty raccoon. I have a problem with eyeliner because it smudges a lot at the corner and then it spreads. So what I do is I use eyeshadow, the black one or the very dark brown one. I will use the very flat.
It's like a small angled brush. And she picks it up in there and places it
Eyeline, and then
underneath waterline.
the underneath, only the
lower outer corner.
The half.
Yeah, the lower outer corner.
Nude Awakening, the very dark brown for the corner. Something's off. Really off. For the eye,
That's for eye.
for the cheeks, I'm using the Coral Cove.
Coral Cove. Cove cough.
Laugh. So for the cheekbones, I would use all my cheeks.
Holy shit.
Especially the smiling area, right? Those cheeks gotta pop. I don't think you need eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I would use only a pencil. What I use is Maybelline Brow Precise Deep Brown. I would shape the end first, and then only I would and then I would fill in the beginning. Oh. This is the wrong color for you. I'm brushing. I think that's good.
Eyebrows look sexy. I don't know what I look like because I haven't seen in the mirror yet.
Eyeshadow is dark. Eyebrows are dark.
This is smoky everything.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a new makeup trend. Smoky makeup. As in like everything smoky. Eyebrows, your eyes, everything.
I don't know how to fix it anymore. I ran out of ideas. I have very good eyelashes and very thin, so I need help. From this side, you do the white one first and then you cope it up with the dark one. This is L'Oreal Double Extend Beauty Tubes Mascara. Oh! Now I know this is not possible. This is kind of scary. You look kind of pretty.
I am pretty.
With my makeup. You would want to highlight more at the corner. Again, at the corner. Like up and down. They are very long, but all clumped up. Looks like you cried.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes.
I want to fix it. I don't know how. Oh god.
Hey guys, another trick. Hold your lashes so it curls.
It is bad. Bad, bad, bad.
Don't worry. I haven't seen it at all yet, so I don't know. But I trust you.
I wouldn't. And like mine, I'm gonna use the same color. It's
twinsies.
Beauty Bakery.
The lip whip.
It's recommended by her. There's another trick. I want to do it with the hand.
She thinks that the orange tone flatters my face and my eyes a lot more, so she's gonna put that in. I was not ready for that. If you want to hire her, please make sure you are aware that she will blow the shit out of you.
How do I open it?
Okay, I'm just gonna look at you. Okay, there you go.
Yay!
Okay. Champagne pop highlighter.
My favorite. Oh, that's a lot. I think I'm doing it all wrong. Is there any brush?
You do it with this one.
What about the...
Yeah, you do it with this brush.
How do you brush it off?
Brush it off with a clean one. Or you could do that.
I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's got too much shimmer.
And for the reveal. Little mascaras. But it's pretty good. I like it. Yo, this is a look. Ooh.
Ah.
I'm impressed.
Yay me!
Yeah, you! I told you I trusted you. So this is the final look that she did on me. If you guys loved it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave down some comments down below too so that we know how well she did.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, she wants to know, okay? And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.